is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the first video of The Coding Guy, where I combine dead memes, alive memes, and computer science to look good for college apps to get money because I'm broke. So the thing is, I don't know what to do. Okay, so looks like we're building a chatbot then. So first, we have to download Streamlit. It's basically an interface, and it's exclusively Python, which means I don't have to learn the war crime that is JS. And then after that, we download the Google Gen AI SDK because I'm a dumbass and I'm in 11th grade right now, so I don't feel like programming an entire AI by myself. And I'm broke, so we're going to copy off of Google because why not? Never mind. Looks like we're going to have to use another API because Google won't let me copy off of it because I'm too young. So we're going to use Hugging Face instead, their APIs instead. Enjoy some background music while I set this up. So we have the API, right? It's really called the application program interface, but we'll abbreviate that since that's a mouthful. Basically, it sends a query or a question to a Gemini model, which will then send an answer back. And since I'm lazy and I'm an idiot, we're also going by a relatively simple system instruction model, which really just outlines how an AI should behave, like hiring a new employee, except that an employee is a robot, doesn't have any prior persona or feelings, so really, HR's personality. first we have to import everything. Then we have to define the personality of the AI. So basically what a client module's generate content does is the exact same second a program stops being contained in my local unemployed computer in my basement and asks Gemini what to do, which is realistic for my homework since I always ask Gemini what to do for my homework, really. Then after that, the model equals Gemini-2.5 just chooses what model I want to answer my query. Then contents equals user input really just takes the text from that user input and then puts that into the contents. At the same time, then configs equals types.generate generate content config basically customizes how the AI behaves. I think y'all know it's really just a system instruction model, like I told y'all last time. You're basically telling an AI two things. The system instruction is the persona or guardrails of the AI. So say if I want to make it about history, I don't want my AI to bring up the legacy of LeBron James or how De'Aaron Fox stole the finals from the Spurs and genuinely sold horribly. Finally, temperature equals 0.7 controls creativity, which means that 0 means the AI has no personality and gives the same answer every time. It's kind of like our aura farmer, Aina Koji Kiyotaka, who gets all the foids. And a 1.0, really just a useless anime protagonist that makes up stuff up. It's very creative, although it's always usually wrong most of the time. So that's why we set it at 0.7, because we don't want our nonchalance aura farmer Aina Koji, nor our overtly annoying classic anime protagonist. Then the AI sends out all the data in a response variable, and while response.text strips all the useless things away, like the story of Ray Zero so we can see Daniel Subaru walking up the stairs, it does the same thing where st.write prints out the important things on your screen.